In this tutorial, we will look at the Multitalk application. The Multitalk application enables you to talk fluently with many people who speak foreign languages. The translation is done in real time in an excellent quality. Multitalk can connect up to 100 people either all in one place or from anywhere in the world. To use the Multitalk feature, in the top right hand menu item, select Multitalk. You will first be asked to create your user profile. You tap the flag and choose your language that you would like all the translations to appear in. Next, enter your name and then hit OK. Now you have two options. You can either create your own conversation room or you can join an existing one. In order to create a new conversation, tap Create and share the QR code or its room number with another user. In order to join a conversation, tap Join and either scan the QR code you have been sent or manually enter the room number. You press the check mark to confirm once done. When you are ready, you press and hold the speech recognition button, and after the beep, you say any sentence. You will automatically see connections from other users and receive translations from other users in your chosen language in real time. I have my Spanish colleague connected to this room who will be speaking Spanish into their own Vasco M3 translator remotely in a different place, and I will receive the translations from them in my chosen language, English. Here is an example. Hello and welcome to this meeting. You can see I've received my first translation from my Spanish colleague. Does everybody have their documents ready? Great, shall we get started? Once the meeting is completed, you can leave the room and see the history of your previous multi-talk conversations by selecting the My Conversations button. So if I leave and go back, you'll have the My Conversations button there, and you'll see a previous history of all of the multi-talk sessions that you have had. From here, you can rejoin a room and see the previous conversation history. For example, if I go over to the first one, I can see the previous history of this. If you hit Edit, you'll be able to rename the room or remove the entire room from your conversations. This is how to use the multi-talk feature.